One of these is Italy's most famous lager. The other one is Aldi's copy. Both made in Italy, neither of them Italian-owned. Peroni is owned by Asahi, Japanese, and this Aldi version is made by Carlsberg, Danish. They are both still made in Italy. This is a 620, this is a 500ml. And if you're watching in the United States, yours is the Italian either. It's made in Albany, Georgia. We know Peroni very well, this country. Done a couple of videos on it because they make a couple of beers in this country. They make Peroni and they make Peroni Red, which is their more basic drinking lager. I've had it in pub before when you used to have to get surveyed to get it in your pub. So let's get it open. This is a 620ml bottle. I think they're about double the price. I can smell it already. It's got that kind of skunky smell to it that I'm used to. Get it in my Tegan-Say glasses again. So this is made, the recipe is what makes this important. This is made with maize. That's what makes this a light and gives it that sweet taste to it. I like Peroni. It just gives me a terrible, terrible headache. I say biscuity, but I'm not sure if it is on the start. I'm just going to do what I do best. Chin chin. Really, really warm today. We're in the middle of summer, middle of July. That is lovely. Let's just top that one up. So that's a Peroni. This is owned by Asahi now. Still made in Italy. This is Rossini. We've done a few Aldi verses before. Again, you can see the green bottles, the blue outline and the red writing. Close enough to look like, not close enough to get sued. This one's also 5%. Again, imported from Italy, Italian lager, made by Carlsberg. So it's actually made by Angelo Poretti in Italy. So this is from the same factory that Poretti comes out of, which keeps trying to get pushed this country, never seems to do it. I imagine they'll be very similar in colours. I wish I'd known before I did the research about Poretti, because I might have got a Poretti to compare. Again, very similar in colour. This one is full of life. This one is flat as a pancake. Identical glasses, as you can see. Let's turn them around so they're not branded. Nice head. This one died. Let's see if we can get a bit more head on it. In for smell, very, very similar. Actually, this one smells quite sweeter. So, chin chin. Cold, refreshing. I think that one's got more to it, but I think it's the kind of mazy biscuity taste. This one lacks an aftertaste. That lacks body. And don't go wrong, look, the head poured beautifully. Let me try the Peroni again. Just has that little bit more to it. There's not masses in it. So there's the question. Would you pay almost 50% more for your bottle because it's got a nice name? We know it's Italian, we know it comes from Italy. Or are we going with the Aldi version? If I'm buying one, and it's just for a quick cold drink, I'll buy that. If I was buying a 4-pack, I'd probably buy the Peroni. So that's 3, I think, Aldi versus I've done. And so far, only the San Miguel Aldi version, San Carlos, has won. That one was head and shoulders above the San Miguel we get in this country. The Madri versus Grande was quite close, but I preferred the Madri, which is quite sad. So yeah, that's been Peroni Nastro Azzurro, means blue ribbon, versus Aldi's Rossini. Same bottle, similar label, same ABVs, but not the same beer. Let me know in the comments if you've had either of these and which one you prefer. Have you had any other Aldi's copy beers? If so, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, like, subscribe. I've been James, and I'll see you on the other side.